Good day and welcome to Computers for Kids. My name is Kim Crawford and I'll be telling you a bit about our program today. Computers for Kids is an internationally endorsed, award-winning program curated over 26 years by Russell Pengeli, a special needs educator. The team over the years has educated in excess of 6 million students and over 30,000 educators. The lessons are aligned to CAP's South African curriculum and cover maths, English, Afrikaans, science, social studies, etc., while teaching digital skills. Every class also includes typing lessons. On completion of course, your child will receive a benchmark certificate from the eLearner Foundation. We all need to catch up when it comes to computers. As we can see, our future is on the IT train, and if we don't jump on, we will be left behind. Our courses are helping fill that gap. Let's take a look. Right, so here we are on our landing page with our different courses. Our community course, educator course, high school, primary school, and our Minecraft holiday program. Let's head into the primary course. As everything is CAPS aligned, we like to send a form to our students' school teacher to find out what will be covered in the coming term. This way we can reinforce what is being taught in class on a more one-on-one environment. Take for example, the My Body lesson. The grade 1s will learn all about this in the first few weeks of school, which will be reinforced with us using English or Afrikaans, spelling and IT of course, making our lessons relevant to the students. Here is an example of the lesson outcome. Let's go in and take a look. The student will choose girl or boy, and they will use the words to label the body parts. We also incorporate emotional intelligence into the classes, which is a first here in South Africa. Each class goes a bit like this. Students come in and take a seat and start the lesson with 5 to 10 minutes of typing, tutor, and mouse skills. Once everyone is in class, our teacher does 5 minutes of tech talk. This is about IT language that is used. For example, the cursor. The cursor on your screen shows you two things, where your mouse is pointed and where the next character typed will be entered in a line of text. So we have a little discussion. Then we move on to our class activity for the day. The class has a short discussion on what we will be covering in the lesson. For example, in pond life, the educator will ask, have you ever visited a pond? What sort of animals will you find living at the pond? What other animals live around or close to the pond? The children then complete the activity with the help of our educator. This is very useful to children that may be falling a bit behind in school class, as we have small classes and one-on-one attention can be given. Once the 20 to 30 minute activity is completed, the children can move on to an educational maths or science game till the end of class.
I need to put everyone's bags in order from most to least, so we can get to our buses faster. Can you help me sort the groups of bags from biggest to smallest?
Good job!
We then have a digital sticker system to reward students once they're done with class. These they collect through the year and can be printed out at year end for them to take home. The students can also select to add this lesson as a favorite. As for assessments, we save all our students' work into their own portfolios, which can be downloaded onto a flash drive for a small fee at the end of the year. What's also lovely is the option to email the day's work straight to parents. The kids love to show off what they've done, and parents love to see what our little ones have accomplished. Writing a short message to their parents, as well as uploading their work. Otherwise, once we feel your child is ready, we will do a trial test. If they pass, they can take a test for the eLearner certificate. This is included in the monthly fee. We encourage students to stay with us for as long as possible to receive all certificates and benefit from all the one-on-one learning. As for our Minecraft holiday program, this is a great way for kids to play and learn at the same time. Please inquire with us about our upcoming holiday programs. In our community course, this is for adults or school leaving age. I believe this course is invaluable not only to teaching IT and Office Suite, but also for crucial life skills. Take a look at the types of lessons we will be covering. Here we start with an orientation course. This is for if a student has not worked with a computer before. 4 lessons which make up getting to know the computer, recognizing hardware, etc. We then have our essential course. Lessons we have in here are covering things like basic CPR, creating a CV, going to a job interview, digital safety, etc. Our supplementary course covers things like bank charges, funeral policy, health insurance, email, writing out a will, monthly expenses like budgeting, calculating costs, and even tax. These are invaluable skills that we use in life. Every lesson includes learning to type as well. This course is completed in 60 hours, about 1 year, and can be organized to be completed faster if need be. I hope this all helps to make the right decision for your child. Otherwise, please feel free to reach out over phone or email for more information. We look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for your interest in Computers for Kids.